What's up, YouTube modeling community? Miguel here with DevilDog.Games. Just wanted to do a little stash ad haul, swap meet haul kind of a video just to show you guys what I picked up yesterday at the swap meet. I'm just going to be super quick about this because I got a bunch of shit. So, for starters, I picked up 69 Dodge Charger. Was looking for a lot of Mopar stuff, Chargers, Challengers, you know. I really wanted a CUDA, but I didn't find any of those. Got a couple of the Challengers. So got two of those. I'm just going to hold this whole box up here and show you guys. So I picked up the Pontiac GTO, the 68 Firebird, the 67 Chevelle, 64 GTO, the 55 Nomad, and another 64 GTO. Now the Nomad, I was looking for some 55 stuff. I like the 55 Chevys, so I was looking for a bunch of that. And I got lucky. I got this one, so I'm looking forward to building that one. I picked up this. I think this is a 56. Yeah, that's a 56. So I got that one. Got a couple of these 57s. What are these, street burners? No, these are wheels. Series 57 Bel Airs. Got me a couple of those. So those will be fun. I don't know. I might turn some of those into Pro Streets or something. We'll see. Picked up a couple of these Badman. Now I think I have a couple of these down in the stash, but I wanted these because they're 55s or 56s. I'm a fan of the 55 and 56. What are these? Yeah, these are 55s. So these are going to be a lot of fun. And any of you who have been around for a while know that they are the same kit as this. So I picked up a few of those. Told you I was looking for 55 stuff. 55 and 56. And I got a couple Nomads. Got a couple of these 57 Nomads. Whoop, whoop. So those will go in the stash. Got me a couple Impalas, Street Burner series. I don't think I've built one of these yet, but they look pretty good. I'm looking forward to building those. Get those out of the way. I'm a Chevy guy, so I dig the Montes. Got me 3 of these. Picked up 3 of the Monte Carlos. Who doesn't want Chevy pickups? So I picked up 1500 Sportside and the Dually Snap. Now somebody wrote on these because whatever stash these came from, they had put multiple kits in one box, and so they wrote on the box what the additional kit was, which didn't make any sense to me. It seems to me if you're going to double stack, you'd at least put the same kit in the box, but whatever. Not a huge Mustang guy, but sometimes you just can't pass up a deal. And that's a pretty good one. $429. Pretty neat little Mustang. Picked up the Richard Petty Belvedere. This one would be nice. I'd like to see Mark, what is it, Batson? I'd like to see him build that, to be honest. That would be awesome. And I have a collection, a small collection, about 10-15 kits in the Hot Rod series. I like the Hot Rod series, so pick those up. What's that? That's a Model A pickup. And I'm a big Pro Street, Pro Stock, Pro Mod fan, so couldn't pass on the Lincoln and the Motorcraft T-Bird. So I picked those up. Another Mustang. I don't remember seeing these tester series, but that's a 71 something, Mach 1 or something like that, whatever. Got the 64 Thunderbolt. This will be a really fun one to do. I can't wait to build that one. I like all of the competitive stuff, like IMSA and ARCA, whatever racing. I like that stuff. So we'll pick that one up. And I'm building the Dodge Challenger, and I'm liking the way that it's going, so I picked up another one of those. Pretty sweet. Got that. That one was 20 bucks. Yeah, 20 bucks. Whoop, whoop. Kind of washing out there. I don't know if you can see that. Picked up a couple of the Duke boys. I mean, Dukes of Hazzards. A couple of these. I have a couple down in the stash, but who doesn't like a Dodge Charger? I mean, these things are badass. So I'm going to build a couple of those. Another 55 for the stash. The pace car. That'll be cool. So I thought I'd get 3 of them. Got two of these. And then I got the tin sealed Mustang. Very cool tin. I'm probably going to build this one for somebody who's been asking for a Mustang. We'll see. And I got the, what is this, 12 scale 57 Chevy. So this one is going to end up being very fun. I foresee lots of 3D printing for that one. And anybody who does Pro Street Drag stuff knows that that 67 Chevelle kit is a great donor kit. This one here. And I've got a few of these in the stash. But anytime I see them, if I get good prices, I pick them up. Well, one of the things I saw was this 67 Pro Street. So I picked this up. Now that's not, it's not the same exact kit, but it's the same idea. And then this one, got this one too. And I did see the others, so picked up a stack of those. And I paid $21. Actually, I paid 20 bucks for these. I talked them down to 20 bucks. And I believe that's it. So stash adds out the the other thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. Go ahead and comment down below what you think I should build first, and we'll see you on the flip side. Click that like and subscribe. Thanks everybody. Have a good week.